Let's peel back the cover on the tools and tech that shape our world. Ready for a deep dive? This channel is your backstage pass into the fascinating universe of big machines, smart products, and next-level tools. We break down the mechanics behind everything from industrial robots and circuit boards to power tools and DIY repairs. Curious about how things work, how they're made, or even how to fix them? Your hood. A diesel engine. It's a marvel of engineering, built for power, torque, and getting the job done. But here's the thing about marvels of engineering: they don't take care of themselves. They need a little love, a little attention, and yes, a little bit of grease under the fingernails. Ignoring your diesel is like ignoring a leaky roof. It might seem fine for a while, but eventually, you're going to have a much bigger, wetter, and more expensive problem on your hands. We're talking about engine failure, folks. The kind of failure that leaves you stranded on the side of the road, staring at a bill with way too many zeros. The good news? You don't need to be a certified mechanic with a garage full of fancy tools to keep that engine humming. Think of it as a relationship. First up, let's talk engine oil. This is the lifeblood of your diesel. It lubricates, it cleans, it helps keep things cool. Old, dirty oil is like trying to run a marathon after eating a bucket of tar. It just doesn't work. So check your oil regularly. Pull out that dipstick, wipe it clean, stick it back in, pull it out again. The oil level should be between the add and full marks. Next, let's move on to the filters. Fuel filter, air filter. The fuel filter is like a bouncer at a nightclub. Its job is to keep dirt out, water out, other gunk out. Then there's the air filter. Your diesel needs a massive amount of clean air. A clogged air filter is like forcing your engine to breathe through a straw. Pull it out and hold it up to a light. If you can't see light through it, replace it. They're inexpensive and vital. Now let's talk about temperature. Diesel engines work hard, they generate a lot of heat. Your cooling system is the unsung hero. The most important component is the coolant, antifreeze. It circulates through the engine to absorb heat. Then it dissipates that heat through the radiator. Make sure you have enough coolant. When the engine is cool, check the coolant reservoir. Look for the min line. Look for the max line. If below minimum, add a 50-50 mix. Use the correct type of coolant. Use distilled water. Don't just use plain water. Coolant prevents corrosion. Level is only half the story. Coolant wears out over time. Protective additives break down. Next, check the belts. Your engine has a serpentine belt, maybe a few other belts. Those belts power the alternator, the water pump, the power steering pump. A broken belt will shut you down instantly. Engine will overheat. Battery will stop charging. Finally, the battery. Diesels need huge starting power, especially in cold. Keep terminals clean. Seeing fuzzy, crusty buildup? That's corrosion. Clean with a wire brush and baking soda/water. Make sure cable connections are tight. So, we've gone through the checklist: oil, filters, coolant, belts, and battery. It might seem like a lot to remember, but it quickly becomes a simple routine. This isn't just about avoiding a breakdown. It's about performance and longevity. A well-maintained diesel engine runs better, it has more power, better throttle response, improved fuel economy. When everything is clean, lubricated, and cool, the engine operates exactly as its designers intended. You're not just preventing failure, you're actively making your vehicle better every time you pop the hood and get to work. Think about the alternative: neglect. It's a slow and silent killer for any engine. A little bit of dirt in the fuel system turns into a clogged injector. The small problems always grow into big, expensive ones. The few dollars you save by not changing a filter can turn into a repair bill that costs hundreds or even thousands of times more. The best advice I can give you is to create a schedule and stick to it. This is the difference between being an owner and being a caretaker. In the end, this is all about empowerment. Yes, you'll get a little grease on your hands. You might have to spend a Saturday afternoon under the hood. But the peace of mind you get from knowing your engine is in top shape is priceless. You'll know that when you turn that key, whether for work or for play, that powerhouse of an engine is ready to answer the call. And that, my friends, is a job well done.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.